Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is TVP World. I'm Diana Skaya, and you're watching Military Mind. Ukraine's Foreign Minister Andriy Sybiha called Russia's ceasefire a farce as attacks continued across the front line. Between midnight and noon on May 8, Russia violated its so-called Victory Day ceasefire 734 times. According to Ukrainian authorities, Russia hit 8 Ukrainian settlements near the front line 220 times on Friday. Additionally, local officials from the Kherson, Dnipro, and Kharkiv regions reported massive strikes by Russian forces with 8 residents wounded. In the South Kherson region, in just one day, 17 settlements found themselves under artillery fire and airstrikes from the Russian Federation, with 1 person killed. And moving now to the India-Pakistan conflict. Over the past 24 hours, tensions have escalated dramatically along the line of control in the disputed Kashmir region. At least 36 people have been killed on the Pakistani side, including women and children, following continued firing and shelling. Pakistan blames Indian airstrikes and artillery attacks. India, in turn, accuses Pakistan of launching drone attacks and firing missiles across the border. Explosions were reported in multiple locations, including Jammu and Uri in Indian-administered Kashmir and Pathankot in Punjab. U.S. officials confirmed that Pakistan used Chinese-made J-10 fighter jets to shoot down at least 2 Indian military aircraft, including a French-made Rafale, while Pakistan claims it has shot down 5 Indian aircraft and 29 drones. Both sides accuse each other of repeated ceasefire violations, raising fears of a broader conflict. Authorities have heightened security across the region, and residents in border cities like Amritsar have been ordered to stay indoors until further notice. We open with footage of another successful Ukrainian operation behind enemy lines in Russia's Belgorod region. A Ukrainian Special Operations unit carried out a precise and coordinated raid, capturing 6 Russian soldiers from the 34th Motorized Rifle Brigade. The operators approached the enemy position unnoticed. Maintaining full control during brief contact, they made the Russians lose their bearings and sent them hiding in a dugout. The invaders were later ordered to lower weapons and crawl out one by one, with one Ukrainian officer assuring the prisoners, "Glory to Ukraine, guys. It's okay. You'll live. Don't be afraid. We have no reason to kill you."
Даю слово офицера, вы будете жить. Вы окружены, все равно вам пи***, если вы не вылезете. Что, надо что, значит? Добавлять туда гранату. Раз. 2. Мы не стреляем, спокойно, оружие вперед выбрасываете и выползаете на животе. Оружие выбрасывай. Вначале выбрасывается автомат. Потом выползает 1, 2, и сколько вас там вообще сидит? Медленно выползай, спокойно. Выползай, медленно выползай. На животе. Выползай на животе.
На животе выползай.
Лег на живот. Ползи вперед.
Быстрее.
Ползи вперед.
Вперед, быстро.
Быстро, блядь, прополз вперед. Все, стоишь. Следующий выползаем. Вначале. Спокойно, все нормально. Упал на живот. Спокойно, лежи. Спокойно, упал на живот. На живот. Руки перед собой. Руки перед собой. Все нормально, мужики, выходим медленно. Нужно проверить все.
Партик еще.
Давай, партик, вылази. Руки перед собой, на живот легли.
Что у вас по оружию? Там что осталось?
О, гранат нет ни у кого. Спокойно лежим. Спокойно лежим.
2-й БАТ, 2-я рота, Байкаловский.
2-й БАТ, 2-я рота чего?
34-я бригада.
34-я бригада. А где дальше позиции?
Ну вот туда одна позиция и пошли налево.
Слушайте меня внимательно. Слушайте меня все внимательно. Ничего, спокойно, все сдаетесь в плен. Мы вас спокойно проводим к своим. Все будете жить. Раненых нет? Раненые есть? Нет. Все нормально? Все нормально будет. Нам нету смысла вас убивать. Лежите спокойно. У вас только шеврончики подружили. Хорошо? Ну, хорошие ребята. Хорошо. Все, парни, все будет нормально, будете жить.
This operation highlights not only the tactical skill and professionalism of Ukraine's Special Operations Forces, but also their moral clarity, capturing enemies with dignity, in stark contrast to numerous documented atrocities committed by Russian forces against Ukrainian prisoners of war. A fiery FPV drone evening for the Russians, one less BMP-3 anti-tank launcher and 2 artillery guns. Ukraine's famous 3rd Separate Assault Brigade continues defending Ukrainian land, striking the enemy in the Kharkiv region. Here's a glimpse of some coordinated and relentless efforts from Ukraine's FPV drone pilots. Ukrainian missile and special operations forces have recently destroyed their first North Korean KN-09 multiple rocket launcher. The target, located in the Kursk region, was identified and attacked with fire corrected with the help of drone operators from the 4th Special Forces Regiment Rangers. An American-made HIMARS system then hit the target with a single shot. A missile struck just meters away from the North Korean platform, causing it to explode from the shrapnel. The North Korean launcher was destroyed near the settlement of Pervomaisky, according to open-source researcher Skripka. Thrilling rescue on the Zaporizhzhia front. Ukrainian special operators working for military intelligence freed their comrades who went on a mission to conduct reconnaissance and raid Russian positions. 3 soldiers from the Artanex unit, part of Ukraine's military intelligence, had been captured after a chemical attack by Russian forces. Due to the precise strikes of FPV drone operators, the soldiers were able to escape amid chaos and panic, with all of them eventually returning alive.
Да, давай дальше. Пока вправо, притягивай на другую сторону.
А где третий? Где третий?
Все,
Поставьте заборону вогню.
стоит.
Любой, скажи мне,
Чтобы не навязывали.
нехай, блядь,
Ну, через поле, вот через поле.
Через поле бежать надо.
зараз наша птичка буде проводити.
Это наши, это
Так,
наши.
через третий, да.
And that's all for this edition of Military Mind. I'm Diana Skaya. Thanks for watching and stay with us here on TVP World.